In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset your Canon TR7820 Pixma printer. First, press the home button over here once. Then press the cogwheel down below in this menu. Select Printer Settings. Go down until you see Reset Settings. Press Reset Settings, and now we have a few different options. You can do a full factory reset, which will delete everything and the printer will be brand new. This is the last option, which is Reset All. And then you can press yes. It will take a few seconds or a minute or two and it will be resetted. You can also select LAN settings only. If your problem is the Wi-Fi, maybe your printer is not connecting to it, maybe it's disconnecting randomly, well, you can simply reset the Wi-Fi only and not all the settings. So this could be great. It will save you some time because the printer will not delete everything, just the Wi-Fi information. So tap LAN settings only, and yes, if this is what you want to do. Overall, this is it. If you found my video helpful, please leave a like, but also take a moment, type a comment down below. This is a great way to support my channel. Like, and I'll see you in the next video.